Reading sentences for grade 2. Children, let's read. Follow this red pointer. Let's begin. This is a rocket. The rocket is big. I see the fast rocket. The big rocket flies high in the sky. Now, children, it's your turn to read. Ready? Follow this red pointer. Good job. This is a basketball. The basketball is round. I play with the basketball. The round basketball bounces high. It's your turn. Good job. This is a boat. The boat is on the water. I ride the blue boat. The boat moves smoothly on the water. Now it's your turn. That's great. This is a mirror. The mirror is shiny. I look at my reflection in the mirror. The shiny mirror shows my face. It's your turn. Great job. This is a rainbow. The rainbow has many colors. I love the bright rainbow. The colorful rainbow shines after the rain. It's your turn. Good job. This is a cake. The cake is sweet. I eat the yummy cake. The sweet cake has chocolate frosting. It's your turn. Good job. This is a mailbox. The mailbox is blue. I put letters in the mailbox. The blue mailbox holds many letters. It's your turn. Good job. This is a clock tower. The clock tower is tall. I see the time on the clock tower. The tall clock tower stands in the city. Your turn. Good job. This is a honey bee. The honey bee is tiny. I watch the buzzing honey bee. The tiny honey bee makes sweet honey. Your turn. That's great. This is a teddy bear. The teddy bear is soft. I hug the fluffy teddy bear. The soft teddy bear makes me happy. Your turn. Good job. This is a book. The book is interesting. I read the big book. The interesting book has fun stories. Your turn. That's great. This is a sunflower. The sunflower is yellow. I like the bright sunflower. The yellow sunflower looks beautiful. Your turn. Good job. This is a dog. The dog is friendly. I like the brown dog. The friendly dog wags its tail. Your turn. Good job. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.